What's up everybody, good morning and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which we'll do an update on Bitcoin, which, well, this is again a little bit more of a positive update. Yesterday we had quite a big spike. I was afraid it was a bear trap, to be honest, because usually bear traps begin like this. Like for example right here, we've just seen that with FTX as well. This was a bear trap. I mean, it cannot be put otherwise. But other times it happened as well. I'm not sure if I can easily find examples. Right here, for example, 17th of August, also got a big spike and then immediately started dropping. But I think, I mean, there was some real reason behind this move, I think at least, and we're not dropping right now. We're still holding our levels. We found support at around 23,000, and that's where we are right now. So we'll just cover everything you need to know, but I just wanted to dive right into it, kind of. So yeah, Bitcoin has been doing pretty well. I forgot to put up the dollar strength index chart, which I usually like to show when analyzing Bitcoin and Ethereum, because it's negatively correlated and it has a lot of effect on Bitcoin right now, especially that that there's a lot of emphasis on the economic circumstances around the market. As you can see, we technically we just made a lower low at around 101.5. But in general, I mean, it's not a big drop, but we're still on a downtrend, which is bullish for Bitcoin, bullish for crypto in general. And then yesterday, I think the reason behind this move, which it might sound weird, it might sound really weird, but I really think it did have an effect. I really think it had a spiky effect, and that is this. Tesla did not buy or sell any Bitcoin in the fourth quarter. Now this came out at 10:45. Probably a little bit earlier already, because this is obviously a secondary news source. But then when did this move happen? If we zoom into the 1 hour time frame, you can see that it happened around 10, between 10 and 11, to be honest. Or between 10 and 12, that should be. But there we had that big spike. So I really think that's the reason why. I don't think it has any lasting bullish effects. I already thought that we would get to that level, to be 100% honest with you. So to me, it doesn't really change the situation, except for that we maybe deleted some sell limits from these levels between 23,300 and 23,900, which is in the end a little bit bullish at the very least. So that happened. I think that's it at least. Let me know if you agree with that, or you think there's some other things at play as well. But apart from that, my analysis on Bitcoin is I still think is valid. I think we're right now, and I'm just going to delete that because I think it looks a little bit too busy. I think we'll just consolidate here between ultimately 22,250, which is also getting stronger and stronger now that we, for example, have this 50 EMA coming. We should actually drag this FIB up. Then you can see that we also have the 236 FIB level there. So it's technically getting a very strong level. I mean, in the end, the big catalyst that is still coming is the Federal Reserve news, and if they say that they're going to keep increasing the interest rates, then we could still surely crash. But before that time, I actually think we're strong enough to be able to really get a break. So not like this move, but really get a break above 23,500 and get towards this level, which ultimately ranges from 25,350 and 24,250, so it's a very big level. But I'd say, and I'm going to draw that right now, I'd say the main level really is between 25,000 and 24,700. So that's what we're aiming for, and at this point of time I still think we can do that by the end of the weekend. And then obviously next week Wednesday is a big day because of the interest rates, but I'll keep you updated on that. So don't worry too much about that yet. But that's my take on Bitcoin for today. If you do have any questions, let me know, and yeah, take care and bye.